soon as you scan that code, you'll get access to our file on thingiverse.com, and you're going to go ahead and click on where it says Thing Files. And this is a lid that we created for a fishbowl, so you can go ahead and remix this or change it up on Tinkercad or any other CAD software. Once you download it, by pressing that download button, you're going to go to eapl.org/forge, so forge. This is our page within our library website, and here you're going to go ahead and submit that file for 3D printing by clicking Request a 3D Print. You're going to go ahead and fill in all the necessary information. You need your library card in good standing. It could be a library card from any library as long as it's registered at the ELA Public Library. You're going to upload that file and go ahead and add a comment such as email me an estimate before printing, or if you run out on a color, another color is fine. And then go ahead and submit your file for printing. It does take about 2 to 3 weeks is the most time it could take. It could be sooner. We try to get you your print as fast as possible. It is 10 cents per gram. And once it's ready, we will email you that it's ready for pickup, and you can come pick up at the circulation desk your object. Once you have your object, we can start this project. So you're going to need a mini terracotta pot, a fishbowl. I'm using a plastic one, a 3D printed lid, paint supplies. So I'm using red and black acrylic paint, and I'm going to go ahead and paint my whole mini terracotta pot red and use the black paint for all the little decals, so the little holes and the shadows and stuff, and the 25-cent label. And we're going to put that aside and let that dry. We're going to go ahead and pop on the 3D printed lid to our plastic fishbowl. We used a caliper to measure and make sure that our fishbowl and our lid fit nice and snug. And you can add treats in here, little gifts, candies, anything you like. And then you're going to grab your hot glue gun with a hot glue stick and go ahead and add hot glue to your mini terracotta pot once it's dry. We do have glue guns in the forge, so you're always welcome to stop by and use one of ours. And just like that, you have this adorable candy holder that you can gift to someone else or keep for yourself for the holidays. Thank you for watching.